Hello and welcome to Learn with me. Our today's topic is the selection sort. So, what is exactly selection sort? That we will be seen in this tutorial. So, basically, we are going to select a minimum number in the unsorted list as a selection. So, why it is called as a selection? Because we are selecting a minimum value from given unsorted list. Okay, why we apply sorting? Because we wanted a particular unsorted list in orderly manner. Okay, and that's why we applied different kind of the sorting techniques on that particular unsorted list. This time we are learning about the selection sort. So in case of the selection sort, we select a minimum number from the list, and okay, we will see this in the live example. Then you will understand exactly how it will work. So basics of the selection sort: find out the location of the minimum element and replace it with the location of the first element. Now look at that list with the five item list. Okay, so here is the five item list: 1 2 3 4 5. Five elements are there. Okay, for obviously the first element will having the location id of 0, next one is the 1, next one is the 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so what they are saying, that find out the location of the minimum element. So now the x we have written, say it as a for example, it is a minimum value, it is a minimum element. Okay, and then again what they are saying, the element, and replace it with the location of the first element. Now the first element in which 0th index. Okay, so this second plus element, we have to replace it with this one. Okay, so this is the funda. At first we have to find the minimum element. We have find it here as a x, as a minimum element, then replace it with the first. Okay, repeat these steps n minus 1 times till the list get sorted. Next what we have to do, we have to repeat these steps n minus 1 times. Now what is called as an n? What is n in this case? Number of the elements called as a n. So how many number of the elements are present here? 5 elements are there. So total how many times we have to repeat these steps? 4 times. How? We will show, I will show to you. So at first, the first element is 0th index element, means this one. Okay, and suppose we have found it at second location. This is the second location. Okay, so 0 will be replaced, x will be replaced to 0th position. Okay, so this position after this after this phase, this position will get fixed. Okay, and if this position will get fixed, there is a no point to uh, process this particular position in next iteration. Okay, so we have to process this much only in next iteration. Okay, this much. Okay, so next time, what is the first element? This one, not this one, because this is sorted already. Okay, this one is the first element. Then 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4, these are the elements. Okay, so next time what we have to do, uh, find out again the minimum element. So for example, this is the minimum element 10, then it will replace with the first element. Now the first element is this, minimum element is this, replace this with this. Okay, replacement, this value will also go here. Okay, so now this position is fixed, this position is fixed. Now three elements are present. Likewise, only last element will, when the last element will be remaining, obviously that position will automatically get fixed. So how many numbers of the iteration, how many times you have to process these things? N minus 1 times. N minus 1 is 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so that is the basic of this selection sort. Now we will see, this is the algorithm for selection sort. We will see it in details, but at first we will go directly to the live example. Okay, so this is the list. Now look at this: 3 6 8 13 17 42 21 and 78. Okay, now what is the first element? It is 3, right? And then what we have to find out? A minimum value. Which is the minimum value in this? 1. Okay, so replace it with each other. The first is 1, then 6, then 8, then 13, then 17, 42, 20, 3 and 78. My handwriting is not that much good, but you can still understand it. Then okay, so first thing is complete. We have replaced 1 with 3. Okay, then what? This one will get fixed. Now what? Now the first element will be 6, not 1, because the 1 position is get fixed here. Okay, now the sixth element is the first element, and which is the minimum value in this list? It is 3. Okay, so replace it with 3. 1, 3 here, 6 here, 8, 13, 17, 42, 20, 78. Okay, likewise you have to complete this list. Okay, next time what you have to do? Now this 3 is also get fixed. Okay, first element is what? 8 now. Okay, now what is the minimum value? 6. 1, 3, 8, 6. It is 6, 13, 17, 42, 20 and 8 here, 78 here. Okay, so this is 6, not 8. Okay, now 3 elements are already processed. This list is in pending. Okay, what is the first element then? 13. Okay, what is the minimum element? 8. Replace it with 13. 1, 3, 6, 8, 13 will go here, 78, 20, 42 and 70 remain as it is. Okay, how much list process? This much. How much pending? This much. First element 70, smallest element 13. Just write down this sorted list, and unsorted list 13 will come here, 17 will come here, and 42, 20 and 78 will remain as it is. This much is get sorted now. Okay, next thing, the 42, 20, 17, 78. Which one is the minimum? First element is 42 here, 17 is smallest one. 1, 3, 6, 8, 13, 17, 42 here, 20 here, 78 here. Okay, now this much is get sorted. Okay, now the thing is that 20 is also lesser than 42 and 72. Okay, so no need to replace it with anyone. Again 42 is bigger, 42 is bigger than 78, so no need to replace it with here. And finally you can see that our list is got sorted. Okay, so this is the way to do it. Now we have to see the algorithm of it. Okay, what is the algorithm? At first what we have done, we have set minimum location to 0. Obviously first element we have set as a minimum location. Then what they are saying, repeat steps 3, 4 and 5. Okay, what is third step? Search minimum element in the list. Okay, minimum element we have search here. Obviously at first we have selected one element as a minimum. Okay, which one it is? 1. Okay, 1. So again what? Swap with the value at location minimum. Obviously we have swapped this with the first one. Okay, minimum location is we have set to 0th location, that's why we have to swap with first element, that is with the location 0. Then increment minimum to pointer to the next element. Now the minimum will become, after the sorting first iteration, it will become next element. Okay, so we know that this one minimum, its location is 0. So at first completion of the first iteration, minimum value shift to the 6. So likewise you have to increment it and repeat these steps till you get the sorted result. So that is about the selection sort. I hope you understood it. Thank you for watching. We will meet in next video.